This is our ZX7320 intelligent pulse arc welding machine. I'll explain this in a nutshell. This is an arc welding. Press the function key once. This is pulse arc welding. When welding, just hold the electrode firmly. The effect will naturally produce fish scale pattern. This is hot arc pulse. The pulse frequency can be adjusted up to 10. 10 is the fastest, 0 is the slowest. We usually put it at 5 when we produce 8, middle. Not very fast, not very slow. The cooling fan is intelligent. At present, the fan does not work, because the fan is an intelligent fan. This is equivalent to saying that after the welding rod is lit up, the fan starts. After a minute or two of running, if the machine does not detect heat, it will stop automatically. For welding rod the current is 170. Let's have a weld. That's about the effect. This is a natural fish scale. This is a fish scale with high current. If you want to be a little wider, you can turn the current up a little bit. This one has a faster pulse frequency. This is a 5 electrode. It's welded. Basically, the pulse of welding is this kind of welding.